Well, our final project was to develop an app, and what we did was an app that you can use it in a classroom when it gets too noisy. It sends an alarm to the teacher. It sends an alarm with the sound sensor. The Arduino detects the sounds and sends an alarm to the app inventor in the phone, or the application in the phone of the teacher, and it says it's too loud.
Okay, so for the Arduino, what we did is with this button, it will turn on the alarm so the students can stop talking and the teacher can explain. And with this other button, you stop the sound. If the sound sensor receives an amount of sound over 77 decibels, it will start making an alarm without you pressing the button. And the display shows the number of decibels that the sound receiver is receiving. So if we connect it, we can see that it's already making sound, but if we press this button, it shuts up. But as there is a lot of sound, it's like trying to it's trying to send an alarm all the time. Okay, so when we press the buttons, we can see that also a LED turns on. For example, to turn it off, it turns a blue LED, and if we turn it on, it shows a green LED. But look, so that's how it works. We are hoping that it will help teachers so they don't have noisy classrooms.
Hi, so now we're going to explain the part of the app inventor. This is the app that the teachers and students will have in their phone. So here, this is the main screen. Here you can see username and login, and here you type either, if you're a teacher, you put teacher 1 2 3 4. This is in our case our username. Then login, and here you have the second screen. You put connect so it can connect to the Arduino Bluetooth and disconnect and return to login. If the sound is getting too loud, one way for the teacher, the way that's supposed to be, the teacher can click and turn on and turn off. That is the sound, so the students know if they are making too much noise, if they're being too loud. And with this noise, they can cut it off, and so they can put attention to the teacher. Now we put return to login, username students, in case there are students. Login. This is the third screen. This is the student's screen. You put connect so it can connect to the Arduino and it can send the decibels to here. And they can do nothing but look at the level of sound they're doing, and that's pretty much it of of our app. And yes. So the reason why we chose this project is because with the research we did, we found that the levels of noise there is, and it says you can have a normal conversation between 50 and 70 decibels, and that's like our normal way of talking. But up 77 decibels, it is already like shouting, and so people cannot really hear each other. So that's the reason we chose to do this project. And because even though it's like a minimum problem and not everyone puts attention to it, it actually has a really big impact in students, because if they don't put attention and they are distracting their other classmates, they will not learn anything, and it would have a very great impact in their quizzes, in their exams, in their homeworks, and other scholar thing. So that's mainly it, and we hope that with this project we can help everyone and we can help teachers to make their classrooms quieter and way more instructive. Thank you.
Thank you.